College of Teacher Education, Prayagraj. College of Teacher Education. Welcome to our official channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we learned about gravity, an invisible force that pulls object towards the earth. Today we will move one step further and understand what is gravitation. Let me begin with a simple question. Does the earth attract only us or does it attract everything around it? The answer is everything. Not only the earth but every object in the universe attracts every other object. This force of attraction is called gravitation. So, what is gravitation? Gravitation is the universal force of attraction between any two objects having mass. This means that every object, whether it is a tiny pebble, a human being, the earth, the moon, or even the sun, attracts every other object. Now you may ask, if every object attracts every other object, why don't we feel the attraction between two people standing next to each other? The reason is that the gravitational force depends on the mass of the object. The mass of the two human beings is very small as compared to the mass of the earth. Therefore, the gravitational force between two people is extremely weak and cannot be noticed. However, the earth's mass is enormous, so its gravitational pull is very strong. So now let us understand the universal law of gravitation given by our great scientist Isaac Newton. According to this law, every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Now, this may sound difficult, so let us understand in simple words. This is the force of attraction that is acting between the two bodies having masses m1 and m2. D is the distance between them, and this G is the universal gravitational constant. Its value remains constant at every part of the earth, which is 6.67408 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. So, there are two important factors that affect gravitational force. First is the mass. The greater the mass of an object, the stronger will be its gravitational pull. For example, the earth has a much greater mass than a football. Therefore, the earth's gravitational force is much stronger than football. The second factor is distance. As the distance between two objects increases, gravitational force between them decreases. In simple words, objects that are closer attract each other more strongly than the objects that are far apart. Now let us see some real life examples. The earth revolves around the sun because of the sun's gravitational force. The moon revolves around the earth because of the earth's gravitational pull. The ocean tides are caused mainly due to the gravitational pull of the moon and to some extent the sun. Artificial satellites also remain in their orbits because of Earth's gravity. These satellites help us in communication, weather forecasting, GPS navigation, telecommunication, television broadcasting, etc. Let us now understand the difference between the gravity that we have learned in our previous video and the gravitation. Gravitation is the force of attraction between any two objects in the universe, while gravity is a special case of gravitation. It refers specifically to the force with which the earth attracts objects towards its center. So we can say that all gravity is gravitation, but not all gravitation is gravity. Now let us quickly revise what we have learned today. Gravitation is the universal force of attraction between all two objects having mass. It depends mainly on two factors, mass and distance. Greater mass means greater gravitational force. Greater distance means weaker gravitational force. Gravitation keeps planets, moon, satellite and stars moving in their respective paths and helps maintaining balance in the universe. Without gravitation, planets would move away from the sun, the moon would not revolve around the earth, and the solar system would not remain stable. So friends, gravitation is one of the fundamental forces of nature. It connects everything in the universe, from tiny particles to massive planets and stars. Understanding gravitation helps you explaining many natural phenomena that we observe every day. Thank you for watching. In the next lesson, we will learn about acceleration due to gravity and understand why all objects fall towards the earth with nearly the same acceleration. See you in the next video.